As I touch my finger, you can see the blue line going up. This one is a dark gray, so it's hard to see. This one is a light gray, hard to see. Capacitive touch sensor. Here I turn on the gyroscope on and off. Now it's on. And I have gyro and acceleration. And what else is going on? I have 3 buttons here that I've yet to use. But this is communicating wirelessly. ESP now. And yeah, it's all right here. So I have some things to figure out with this circuitry, because sometimes the LEDs go off and come back. Yeah, eTextiles.